Have you ever looked at boiling water and thought, what are those bubbles exactly? What are they made of? And how are they created? Well, in this video, you're going to find out. Well, to answer this, we'll have to look inside the water at the molecules that make it up. And it's of no surprise to us that water is H2O. That means each molecule of water is made of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. And one important feature is the way the atoms and molecules are bonded within water. And so in keeping the unique structure of the water molecule, there are strong bonds that exist between the hydrogen atoms and the oxygen atom. These bonds are known as covalent bonds. These keep the strong structure of the water molecule. And without them, the water molecule just wouldn't exist. It's these bonds that are not affected by boiling temperatures. But if temperatures have an effect on whether water boils or not, then what effect does it actually have in order to do so? Well, this is something to do with the second important bond related to the water molecule, and this is called the hydrogen bond. Rather than holding the structure of the molecule together, like the covalent bonds, the hydrogen bonds join water molecules to other water molecules. These bonds are not as strong as covalent bonds and so can be affected by boiling temperatures. So the joining together of all of these water molecules by hydrogen bonds is the formation of water as the liquid we know it. And it's temperature that's one of the main factors of whether or not these molecules stay held together. And why is that? Well, we know that if we apply enough heat to a beaker of water, then bubbles will start to rise in the water as it boils. But how exactly is the heat making it do this? Well, as the heat rises up through the water, it excites all of those water molecules, making them move with that heat energy. And so as the heat increases, the energy of each molecule also increases. This causes the hydrogen bonds between them to break as each molecule moves away from each other. And it's this separation of the water molecules that gives rise to the bubble of water vapour or steam. And so, in a nutshell, this is what makes boiling water bubbles. It's the steam produced by the separation of the water molecules, and that steam then rises out from the liquid into the atmosphere. And as it's doing so, this is what we're seeing as bubbles.